Hello students, today we are going to study singular and the plural nouns as we have studied it last year, but once again we are going to revise it, how to make plural nouns with the different rules and the different examples. See on your screen there is one chart, there are examples and there are also some specific rules how to make the plural nouns. See the first rule, regular nouns. If you got regular nouns, you should add only s with it and make it plural. For example, one car, two cars, one dog, two dogs, one book, two books, one house, two houses, one apple, two apples. See, this is the first rule. If you see the examples of regular nouns, only you have to add yes to make them plural. Then second, see, ends in s, ch, sh, x or z. If you see the words ends in s, ch, sh, x or z, you should add es to make them plural. For example, bus. See the first example, bus. The bus, this word ends with s. At that time, to make it plural, we should only add es. Bus, buses. Match, 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 ch. This word ends with ch. Only you have to add es to make it plural. Match, matches. Dish, dishes. Box, boxes. Quiz, quizzes. See, these are some examples. The word which ends in as, sh, ch, x or z, we should add only es to make them plural. Then see third rule, ends in f or fe. If the word ends with f or fe, we should remove or drop f or fe and should add fes to make it plural. For example, leaf, leaf, leaf. This word ends with f. To make it plural, we should remove f and add ves. Leaf, leaves. Wolf, wolf. F is there. At that, to make it plural, we should remove or drop f and should add ves. Wolf, wolves. Life, lives. Knife, knives. And see exception, examples are also given. Roof, roofs, cliff and cliffs. These are the exceptions. Then fourth rule, on your screen you can see ends in vowel plus y, add yes. It means that if the word ends in vowel and then plus y is there, for example, day, day, y, day, y, key. In these examples you can see y is there, but before y there is a, day, y is there, a, but a vowel is there. Then day, days. At that time you should only add yes to make it plural. Key, key, y is there, but before y there is e, key, key, keys. Boy, boys. Guy, guys, guy, guy, y is there, but before y there is a vowel u. Guy, guys. Donkey, donkeys. See, ends in vowel plus y. See students, there are 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u. These are the 5 vowels. And then next rule, ends in consonant plus y. See, again y is there, but before y, if the word ends in consonant, see, for example, city, y is there, but before y there is a t. T is a consonant. City, we should add y and we should remove y and add ies to make it plural. For example, city, cities. Baby, 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 y is there, but before y b is consonant is there. It means that this word ends in consonant plus y. City, cities, we should remove y and add ies. City, cities. Baby, babies. Story, stories. Party, parties. Country, countries. Then see irregular nouns. Irregular nouns, it means that there are no rules to make them plural. For example, man, men, child, children. Roof, foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Person, people. These are the irregular nouns. Then see the next rule, ends in vowel plus O. Ends in vowel plus O. At that time you should add yes. For example, see, Z-O-O, zoo. Zoo is there. O is there at the end of the word. But before O, there is another vowel. O. Zoo, zoos. Radio, R-A-D-I-O. O is there. But before O, there is another vowel I. Radio, radios. Stereo, stereos. Video, videos. Kangaroo, kangaroos. See, ends in vowel plus O. It means that before O there are another vowels. Then ends in consonant plus O. You should add es. See the next rule. You can see on your screen. Ends in consonant plus O. It means that O is there, but before O there is a consonant. For example, hero, H-E-R-O. O is there, but before O, R is consonant. Hero, heroes. Echo, ecos. Tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. See, these are the some examples. It means that you should know the difference between the words which ends in vowel and which ends in consonant. Then no change. See the last one. There is a no change at the time of making plural forms. It means that the word remains same in singular form and in plural form. For example, one sheep, two sheep. One deer, two deer. One fish, two fish. One series, two series. One species, two species. It means that the word remains same in a singular form and in a plural form. See students, once again I am going to repeat these rules. See the first rule, regular noun. If the word is a regular noun, you should add only s. Then second rule, if the word ends in s, sh, ch, x or z, you should add es to make it plural. Then third rule, the word ends in f or fe, you should remove f or fe and add fes to make it plural. This is the third rule. Then fourth rule, ends in vowel plus y. It means that if the word ends in vowel and plus y, at that time you should add only s. Then fifth rule, if the word ends in consonant plus y, you should remove y and add ies to make it plural. And then irregular nouns, there are no rules. They are the man and maid. These are the irregular nouns. Then next rule, ends in vowel plus o. See, if the word ends in vowel and then after vowel there is o, you should add only s. Then next rule, ends in consonant plus o. If the word ends in consonant and plus o is there, you should add only es. And then last one, no change. No change means what? Word remains same in singular form and in plural form. So students, see, one by one we have seen the singular and plural nouns with the specific rules on your screen. There are also another examples. You can see a plural noun names more than one: person, place, animal, thing or idea. Here are some examples you can see on your screen with same rules. Then see, irregular plural nouns. Irregular means there are no specific rules to make them plural. Child, children. Woman, women. Man, men. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Cactus, cacti. Person, people. Ox, oxen. These are the irregular plural nouns. See students, in this way we have studied singular and plural nouns with the specific rules. So you should write all these examples with one by one with their rules and learn them by heart. Read them very carefully. In this way students, we have completed singular and plural nouns with the different examples. Okay, thank you.